In this two-part overview series, we'll show you the highlights of report packages. In Part 1, we'll describe what report packages are, why use them, and how they're developed. In Part 2, we'll describe how to create a report package structure, the basis of a report package, and further explore the benefits of each development phase. Reporting is a critical function in most companies. Whether reports are internal, for management or quarterly updates, or external, to meet statutory and regulatory requirements, the ability to gather information from various sources, review it for accuracy, and present it to the intended audience is a core function of business. Creating reports is easy with just one author and no reviewers, but having multiple contributing authors is more complicated and can lead to questions such as, do all authors have the current version? How can I merge content changes into a single document? As contributors are added, keeping everyone organized becomes more challenging. The situation becomes even more difficult with several reviewers, each responsible for vetting different sections, and multiple approvers to sign off on the whole report. Collaborative reporting can quickly become complex and cumbersome. How do you coordinate the activities of so many contributors and stakeholders? How do you manage content, versioning, and workflow? Trying to do this all by email can be daunting. A better way to create a unified, collaborative report is by using a report package. So what is a report package? A report package is a unifying structure for any report that also provides content, workflow, and process management. Report packages are made of subcomponents called DOCLETS that can contain existing reports in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF format, and management reports created at Enterprise Performance Reporting Cloud. You add and organize these DOCLETS to form a cohesive report package. Your DOCLETS depend on the report that you're creating. For example, a sales report may contain DOCLETS for each country or region. A financial disclosure report may have DOCLETS for financial statements, tax statements, and notes. You can use sections to group your DOCLETS by related content or viewership. For example, a financial report section can contain DOCLETS for all financial statements that only users in your finance staff can review. You define a report package by creating its structure. This includes specifying basic properties such as type, Word, PowerPoint, or PDF, a style sample, and the timing of the development phases that you want to use. Adding and organizing DOCLETS in sections, assigning authors, approvers, and reviewers to DOCLETS for content management, and starting, managing, and closing the development phases. In the author phase, you compile data, narrative, and supporting detail as DOCLET authors work on their content. In the review phase, you gather feedback and commentary from reviewers on multiple drafts, and authors can update their content accordingly. In the sign-off phase, signers review content and provide final sign-off that locks the report package. You can choose the development phases to use given the nature and audience of your reports. For example, if content will only be created by 2 authors, you may not need an author phase. Or, if a report is only for a small group of internal stakeholders, a review phase may not be necessary. In this overview, we describe report packages and their development. In Part 2, we'll identify how to create report package structures and examine the benefits of each development phase. To learn more, visit cloud.oracle.com.